Poco Pods in my hand, and these are Poco's first ever TWS to launch in India. These are just priced at 1200 rupees. Lekin kintu parantu guys, are these good enough? Let's find out. Let's start with its design. So अगर यूसेज एक्सपीरियंस की बात करूं, these can be worn for extended hours without any discomfort. IPX4 रेटिंग के साथ मिलते हैं, which makes them splash resistant. लेकिन how many splashes? That's questionable. अब ये सब तो ठीक है, लेकिन look at the design. क्या आपको ये Redmi Buds 4 Active के जैसे नहीं लगते? अगर लगते हैं तो let me know in the comment section below. चलो then, let's move on to the controls and connectivity. This one boasts Bluetooth calling 5.3 support with SPC audio codec. These can be easily paired with your device thanks to Google Pair. You can also download the Xiaomi Earbuds app on your phone, but it only has one feature, which is low latency mode. You can also enable or disable it from the app. This mode works fine while playing games. So now if I talk about the touch controls of these pods, these have tab-based touch controls with average accuracy, which brings me to the audio quality. So let's talk about the audio quality of Poco Pods. These are equipped with 12mm drivers which provide heavy bass. So it's quite clear that this pair is perfect for the bass enthusiasts. So I think these AirPods are for people who listen to dhinchak type of music, जैसे दिलजीत सीधू मूसे वाला type of music. But sometimes the music feels hollow. लेकिन considering the price range, I think audio quality also seems fine to me. Now if we talk about the mids and the highs, sound sometimes feels muddy. There is no equalizer, which means sound cannot be customized at all. But great thing that it has ANC, जो background noise को बहुत अच्छे से block करता है. You can also take audio and video calls easily in windy and noisy areas. Now if we talk about the battery capacity of these TWS, so you get 440 mAh of battery in the case and 34 mAh battery in each earbud. 30 hours का playback time you get in the case and some 5 to 6 hours of playback time you get in each earbud. अब अगर मैं यूसेज अपने एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से आपको बताऊं तो 1-2 दिन तक बहुत आराम से विदाउट चार्जिंग आप ये TWS यूज कर पाओगे विद द केस. So if I talk about the verdict of these TWS, I think these are good enough for the price range, but I think these could be different from the Redmi Buds Active 4. थोड़ा सा डिजाइन में या ऑडियो क्वालिटी में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस लाया जा सकता था, but otherwise these are good enough. And this is it about this video. This is Vanshika signing off. I'll see you guys in the next one and keep watching Gadget Times.